can stay down. I don't want you in my way. Can't help you see I'm rich, yes. Tell them pull up 20 million, I'm on it, I'm with it, just saying I going on, but you know the vibe. Yeah, looking cool. I'm gonna fail on y'all that, but I get it.
Yeah, it's much better. We're looking for a tent. You look so cute, babe. Oh, look, right here. All the camping stuff. So we're getting this tent. And we about to go camping. This was so weird.
It looks weird.
No, it feels weird to be recording in public.
On the gang.
So we got all our stuff, and now we're going to Key West.
We're going. Below zero, don't you go, try to be no hero. I be coming fast in my mirror. Damn, Shadi. Slammed it with your cute
Alright, guys.
You get in there. We about to go see some birds, you know. They got them eating. Like, you know they want to fish. You know they just want to fish like big ass fish. They don't want to eat that last shit. What the fuck they eat?
I can't focus. Oh, there we go.
What are they feeding?
They're feeding them bird food.
That's not even that. These niggas are NPCs, dog. Look at them. Oh look, they got little fish here.
Little fish.
Big.
Babe, I don't like that. I don't like that.
This is where we're gonna stay.
Ooh, it's so pretty.
Watch your foot, it's wet, man.
Babe, I feel like a gator gonna come out and grab my ankle. You look so good, babe. Stay there, look. I take a picture of you. You look good.
Goodbye, birdies.
Okay. Ooh, this place looks mysterious.
Age, where seemingly impossible dreams have come true.
Yeah, look at them things. You ready for this? Nah, you ain't ready.
I'm scared, baby.
Here,
I'm
record.
scared.
You wanna do it first?
No, you go.
I'm scared though.
No, you can't be scared.
Where they feeling at?
Look at them.
Look at them.
Look at him.
Look at them, baby. Them niggas dead.
He's gonna get.
He scared
Come
me.
on, man, go. Oh my god.
He scared me.
Nope, back up.
I'm gonna fall in.
No, just hide the bucket. You just gotta hide the bucket. You gotta be selfish.
Come on, one of y'all come on.
You gotta put it down more. Let me get the bucket. Let me get the bucket. Ugh. Gotta go down more. A little more. Hey, come on.
You got it, Vic.
Dude, don't get my hand, bro. Oh my brody. That's too scary. They're too big. I feel like he's gonna just take me. You want me to do it? You do it.
Did you see what happened when I did it? I threw the fish in the air.
Back up, back up. Watch him.
There's some sharks in there as well.
For real?
Yeah, and there's some sharks.
Yeah, look
Where?
at the shark.
Ooh. They threw the fish in the air.
Do it.
No, I'm too
Whoa.
scared now.
You got it.
Go, Big Hurry, a seagull's coming. He's scared of you. Alright, ready, babe? Let's try this again.
Yeah, take the catch. That's just my hoochie mama. That's just my hoochie mama. I got you. You got it. You got it, babe. You got it. Just bring it really close. They're not gonna bite you. They won't, babe. Bring it really close. Closer than that. Come on. He won it. He won it. Look, he won it. Give it down. Put it down.
I'm sorry. One more time.
Just put it closer.
I'm just scared he's gonna get my hand.
He's not.
He's gonna get it.
You got it.
I'm about to fly for this.
No, no.
I'm about to throw it. I can't. I'm too scared.
I know. They bite too, so be careful.
They do?
Yeah.
Oh,
They
man.
get very aggressive, so the best thing to do is just put it back in the bucket. Otherwise, they'll bite your finger.
Look at him.
Alright, I tried, babe.
You did good. You still did it. Hold the bucket, babe. I'm gonna bring it back.
All right.
You ready?
Oh, pelican behind you. Little stinker. Get it.
So how was your experience?
It was fun. Scary?
Scared.
I thought I was gonna get hurt.
It was scary, man. I ain't even gonna lie to y'all, man. Man, that shit was crazy. But I'm gonna head up out of here. Probably like do something little. I don't know. We gonna get back with y'all.
I can't lose. You know that it's all because you got feelings that you never knew. I wanna be up under you, all up in this private room.